one section, the flats. Okay, that's a different section up in here. You can see how I've built up that back here. Absolutely no cut marks, lots of volume. So what do? And this, you can get this shape on like a very flat back or Asian type structure as well. So rather than trying to do all of this and go wrong, flatten that hair out, lay it down, comb it slightly behind the ear, just like that. Why am I doing that? Because there's 1,001 ways to compensate for an ear sticking out. Okay, to me, it's best to ignore it by combing back. And I'm just going to using absolutely no tension whatsoever, because fine hair will kick back at you in a second. Just stand back in here, and I'm going to blunt cut it simply because it's fine. And I'm just going to kind of make a nice clean blunt line, just like so. My focus is the jawline. So we're just going to go right into that. Okay, nice clean line. You know, every once in a while, all the Sassoon stuff I learned back in the 70s, okay, I pull it out of my back pocket, you know, because you need it. So we're just going to kind of do that. Let that drop in nicely. Perfect condition, perfect, it just flows right in. Gonna come in here, take a little bit more off, because when you pull it back behind the ear, when you're doing a longer front, and you pull it back behind the ear, it makes it longer than what you want it, but it compensates for the ear sticking out easily. You know, and I've seen so many ways people say push the ear and tape it, and I knew a hairdresser that actually mass tape a girl's hair ear. Okay, his name was Norman Sapien. I saw him do it. But then he was an eccentric guy, and he would just tape it down and do the haircut and take the tape off. I'm like, dude. They go, oh, they love it. You know, he would do that, right? But anyway, drop it right in. Let me go back and do the other side the same way, and you guys can kind of go around and give her a little bit of movement across the top. And take this whole section just like that, because it is a fine section. Pull it back. Okay, I'm pulling it back. They don't want to take too much on it. Okay, again, pulling it up in here. Just like so. Curving that out a little bit more again, just to give it that sort of a movement. Take some of this amazing hairspray that we have here, volumizing spray. Just get it up underneath the haircut. Just give it a little bit of lift here and there. Open her up. You guys have felt this hairspray?
Very.
Smelled it? It's amazing stuff. It's like one of my favorite hairsprays around right now. Very light, it's like a nice working hairspray. I like hairsprays that I can work with. And this is what we got on fine textured hair. That was just kind of sitting there. What do you think?
Nice, very nice, Albie.
Color.
Gorgeous.
You got your body, girl. Now you can't hate your hair anymore.
That's right. Mm-hmm.
All right, well, thank you.
Before we end the class, do we have any questions? Anything we can answer for you right now?
I don't know if you know, but the light oil, do you guys have that at all?
It's really fun. We can change colors. You can actually intermix colors. We use chocolate and red to get this beautiful color on Lincoln. It's really, really pretty. It's really shiny and it's soft. Afterwards, if you want to go ahead and touch the texture of her hair, it's really, really soft. Anything you want to add about passion color?
Yeah, the passion color masks are really nice because they help close the cuticles of the hair, so it really helps lock it in and prevent further damage. It has Inca oil in it, which is just a really nice hydrating oil for your hair.
And Inca oil is in all of our products as well.
And one fun thing that I find with the passion mask, I have a lot of clientele that likes to change within like funky hair colors, like purple, violet, red. You can get a lot of the funky colors out of these, and you're able to change it again in 4 weeks when they come back in for their retouch up. Because the wash out of the hair is a really good purified shampoo at the bowl to kind of prep for your next color, which is really awesome.
saw him do it.
Just gorgeous.
Oh gosh.
So Nikki came to us with extremely compromised hair. She's been through platinum, extensions, color, recolor, a little bit of everything. When we met her, we couldn't get our hands through her hair, wet or dry. Her ends became like cotton balls and just mingled together. And her color was also, we did a deposit color on her. And I don't know if you guys have ever experienced putting color on over-processed hair, how it can change to like a gunmetal gray color. She had that all throughout her ends. So we chose to do a My Color, which is our PPD-free, ammonia-free hair color because it's super gentle on the hair and it has collagen and elastin to go in and repair the hair, plump it back out for her color. And we actually did a neutral shade on her just to show that even over-processed hair really doesn't get that gray look. It's got great shine, it's not mouthy. And we did do our 3-step Ego Bond, which is a restructurizer for the hair. It's a 3-step process. The first process went into her My Color retouch. The second step was at the bowl, which is a locking method. It sits for about 10 minutes. And the third step we actually do in the salon instead of sending home with the clients and relying on them to do that once a week to keep up with that bond. We do that for 3 minutes at the bowl, and whatever is healed is healed. So you don't have to rely on them to continuously do their weekly treatment. And then the next time she needs her color done, we'll put it back in and do the treatment all over again. But her hair is like completely different. When it was wet, it was bandy and a mess, honestly. And we actually